Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Battlefield 6 and you keep getting this error 8703S, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Battlefield 6 easily. So first off, you're going to close out your Battlefield 6, you're going to close out Steam as well. After you're done closing out Steam, now you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you'll have Ethernet here. If you're on a wireless connection, it should say WLAN. You're going to click on your network connection and then click change settings of this connection here. After that, you're going to go into Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. DNS server setting here, you're going to click use the following DNS server addresses. You're going to write here in the preferred DNS 8.8.8.8 and in the alternate DNS, you're going to write here 8.8.4.4. Click OK again, and then go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your game's platform. So it's Steam for me. And then you're going to try to play the game and you'll see that your game will work correctly now and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.